Well, this case is a saga. It lasted for 9 years in 4 different venues. We actually brought a case in 2003, a class action on behalf of all the Orange County registered delivery people. They were being misclassified as independent contractors, but the truth is they're not independent contractors because the register in the newspaper industry tells the drivers how to do everything from where to arrive, where to stand, how to fold, how to bag, where to deliver, when to do it, and penalize if you don't. It's just wrongfully identifying individuals as independent contractors when in truth they're employees, and it's done as a dodge of liability and taxes. We litigated that case for 5 years and then 2 more months in trial. The attorney's fees are about $30 million, $20 million on their side, $10 million on our side. We settled for $38 million. When we settled the case, we knew there's a great risk of bankruptcy, and they filed bankruptcy 1 week before. They offered us 2 cents on the dollar. I flew to Delaware, got appointed to be the chairman of the Unsecured Creditors Committee, and then came out with a deal. They paid us $14.5 million. And also, they assigned to us the corporation's right to sue its own officers and directors to get the insurance money. There's $25 million in insurance. And when they went insolvent, they did everything they possibly could through illegal dividends and otherwise to get money to the shareholders to the detriment of the stakeholders, the creditors. We got hit with another lawsuit. This time it was from the insurance company seeking to deny any obligation to defend or indemnify the lawsuit. Well, we defeated that. And then after that, we settled the case. Now there's $25 million in insurance on the D&O policy. It was a burning limit, so there's only 19.5 left. We settled for $15.5 million. So with the 14.5 and the 15.5 gave us a total of $30 million. And this $30 million is being divided amongst 3,000 newspaper carriers. So each of them got on average $5,000. And just 2 weeks ago, we got an order from Judge Shannon of the Bankruptcy Court awarding us an additional $232,000 because Judge Shannon found that our representation of the class provided a benefit not just to the class, but also to all the other unsecured creditors and to the debtor itself. We've now since brought lawsuits, separate lawsuits against the San Diego Union Tribune, the Sacramento Bee, the Fresno Bee, and the Antelope Valley Press. We had several, probably 5 or 6 different lawyers, whether it be Javier Van Orton, Sarah Serpa, David Darnell, and a number of other attorneys that helped, including Ed Susalik, who assisted on the insurance issues. And Michael Sachs and Kathy Dunham. I mean, there's so many attorneys and paralegals that were there that had my back and helped along the way.